Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Once you're signed up to Shopify, and by the way, if you haven't, I've included a link that you can use to sign up for free. You're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select My Store. Once you have selected My Store, from there you'll see the store that you have created, and you can tap on Create Store. After you have selected Create Store, from here you can create another store if you want, so you can tap right there. And you could simply tap on sign up, or you can tap on skip if you would like to create the store for free. Then you will tap on I'll do this later, and that's how you'll be able to create a second or third store. After you have created that store, you could tap on My Store once more, and you can now see that I have 3 stores created. I could tap on Create Store, and I could create a 4th store just like that. It's as easy as that to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.